day off and go to the park. Yeah, we should. We're here. Hey, look, there's Mom and Dad. Let's go! Hi, we're on a beautiful day at the park. Yeah.
You said it, brother.
Yeah, it's awesome.
Well, no, it wasn't.
Oh, let's get out of here. Hey, Mom and Dad!
We're here.
We're here. Hi, Mom and Dad.
You just killed 14 people, Mr. Six. You should be ashamed of yourself. Sorry.
Hi, Mom and Dad. Sorry, I'm a really bad driver.
Oh.
I thought you knew that.
Hi, Panini.
Hey, Daddy! I'm old. Oh, yeah. Come on.
Spell look, this is our city, son.
Come on.
Hi, Mom. Hey, Dad.
Sorry.
Hi, guys.
I'm okay.
I wish I had a son to welcome.
Are you Mr. Will?
Yes, I am.
You're Mr. Will's dad, aren't you?
Yes, I am. Mr. Willie was so nice. Well,
He was part of our gang, but we don't know what happened to him.
yeah, I remember in the first episode, I carried him to the hospital, and Mr. Chill.
Well, he died.
I know. When they said he was missing, he died actually. And so did
Where was he? We're so sad.
he was in I forget where it was. They never told me.
I hate that story.
Oh, I'm getting tired. Mom.
I'm so sad. Don't worry, Mom. It'll be okay. Oh! Well,
This
Guys,
is
should
a good lesson for you kids.
You
You
guys,
never
what do
run
we do?
off on your own business trip.
you guys should be on your way now.
Alright.
We gotta continue
Bye,
talking.
Mom.
Okay.
Bye,
Mom. Bye, Dad.
I'll just go back to
Son.
napping.
Bye, sweetie.
Yeah. Bye.
I'll never forget you. Just don't get hurt.
All right. That might be a possibility, but whatever.
Bye.
Bye. Bye, Mom. Bye, Dad.
Such a nice boy. Say,
Let's just check the news, guys.
Yeah.
Nice house, Panini. Never knew it was this nice.
I know.
You.
Perfect. Here on Channel 245, the news that Dr. Nene is up to no good again. Witness Doug Quack has reported 5 deaths. In other news, gas prices are down. This has been a national news report from John Green.
5 deaths. That means their parents were bombed. Mom! Dad!
Never mind.
Nay.
I found their parents. Now they have to be manhandled. I got you, Molly. Thomas just said, as he hadn't done, she helped me. I thought she did. She got my Kool-Aid. They know where they live, though. They thought they did. Now my daughter's been. I better go see what he's doing.
Not a big ear.
hi, Mr. Gord. Oh, hi. Well, just to make sure, don't just let anyone in here. You know those drivers that hit you last time? Yeah, well, they're probably going to...
I got you now. Go.
What? Help!
Stop! Do you know why I'm doing this?
No, we don't.
Bonnie, you hacked my car 2 years ago, and now you corrupted my assistant. Because that's for your fault.
Wait.
Wait. Was it when we crashed into the tree?
Yes, that was my car, and now I'm taking my car back.
Churchill. It's all your fault if you would have crashed.
Let's get out of here. Yes.
Wait a second. What are we going to do without a car?
Run!